I think the first thing to say is it's important to do the testing. I think one consensus that's come out from all my discussions, both within the ELN and with other groups, we discussed an article that we published recently in Leukemia with European Leukemia doctors, with a journal editor, and with a regulator from one of the agencies. And the one consensus we could come up with was that MRD testing is going to be a part of high quality trials going forward. So I'd say if you're designing a clinical trial for AML and it doesn't include MRD as part of the response assessment, you're doing the trial wrong. That's not going to be the standard, and there's going to be a need to have MRD as part of the response assessment. I think for clinicians in practice, I think the key thing is we've tried to make the guidelines as accessible as possible. I think there's local pockets of expertise, but really the guidelines we've presented are something that should be accessible in most places. So it includes molecular testing by PCR for those molecular subtypes where that's accessible, and then flow cytometry. One thing that did come out of those guidelines is there's wide variation in the way flow cytometry is performed, and those guidelines give you a checklist almost which you can validate the way your provider is doing flow cytometry.